Hey guys, this is going to be a really quick video for our installation of a ceiling fan in US here. First thing first, turn off the fuse in any power supply and let's get started. I saved quite some money today, so I wanted to share some video the way you can save your money installing it yourself. Spread out the parts the way it's easier to understand and we know what we are doing. These are the parts from my fan installation box that are just spread it out on the floor. Majority of the US models are going to be the same. This here is a mount. This is made of metal. This is the one that's going to hold on to the junction box on the ceiling like this. It's got a ground wire as well. And here is the groove. This groove is going to prevent the fan from wobbling. This here is the ball joint, and this is going to go get fixed in the groove. And canopy facing upward, another canopy is going to be facing downward. See, it's in opposite direction. And this is a little flange that goes in between. The main motor and the down rod gets connected to this ball joint like this pelvis pin. The blades, the receiver with the frequency switch, and the remote and all the supplies. The receiver here, you see, it's a light fan combo, so it's got a black, white, and a blue. A black, white, and a blue. Pretty straightforward, huh? There's some notes on this as well. The black is the only hot wire you're gonna connect, and the white neutral, right? The black, the only hot wire, and the receiver antenna, right? Alright, let's get started with the installation. Grab a ladder and get up on the ladder. Pop open the sucker. Alright. Gently pull out the cables. In my case, I have this two twisted cables here. I have one hot wire and another hot wire. I only need one hot wire, right? So the another one which is kept together, do not remove it, right? Keep it together. Keep the two neutral wires if they kept together and do not remove them. Added some notes here. So I only need one hot wire, so the other one I'm going to push it back in because my fan combo just works with one hot wire. Alright, mount the bracket. I got mine mounted here. The bracket is mounted here with these two screws to the junction box. Make sure they're tight and secure, and that's pretty much it. Now put up the fan here and let's do some wiring. Alright, the fan is hanged up over here. I've already done the wiring, and if you notice, I connected the one hot wire, the black hot wire, and the white neutral wire here. I did not remove the joint white neutral wire that was already there. Do not disconnect them, keep them together. And all the ground wires connected, and the black, blue, white is also going to be connected. That's pretty much it. Make sure all the wires are secure, and if you appreciate this video, like and subscribe. Thanks guys.